Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragya and today I am here again with a new DIY face pack for you all for glowing skin. So without wasting any more time, let's get start the video. To make this face pack, we just need 3 ingredients: gram flour, turmeric and milk. So let's make this together. Take 2 spoons of gram flour, which is besan, and then add a pinch of turmeric. After this, we will add milk to it to make a paste. And after adding milk, mix it well and your homemade face pack is ready. You know, the best thing about besan is that it is so good for our skin. It literally suits everyone. If you don't have anything, don't know any face pack, just use besan on your face. It will instantly give you that bright skin. And this is something we have been listening for years that बेसन बहुत अच्छा होता है हमारे स्किन के लिए और ये पुराने ज़माने से चलता आ रहा है. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट वी कैन यूज़ विदाउट एनी डाउट. मैंने अच्छे से अपने फेस पैक को बना लिया था. सो लेट्स अप्लाई दिस ऑन आवर फेस. You know, this face pack of besan, turmeric and milk offers multiple benefits including mild exfoliation, natural brightening and hydration. It can help remove dead skin cells, lighten dark spots. So I have applied this on my face, neck and hands. Now let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Besan acts as a gentle exfoliant, remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving the skin smoother. Besan can also help control excess oil production, and along with turmeric anti-inflammatory properties, it can help prevent acne breakout. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, is known for anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, which can help soothe and heal the skin. As we all know that milk is a natural cleanser, it can soothe and calm irritated skin, reduce redness and improve skin elasticity. You can use this face pack 2 to 3 times a week for better results. So हो चुके हैं 15 minutes and after 15 minutes मैंने अपने face को wash कर लिया है. Use lukewarm water to wash your face. You can see that my face is looking very clean and fresh after using this face pack. So try this definitely and also let me know by commenting that आपने इसको try किया तो results कैसा था, और अगर आप कोई और अच्छा homemade face pack लगाते हो तो मुझे भी बताइए comments में. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye bye, take care and stay beautiful.